guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back today with this very soft, simple makeup. Super easy to do, very wearable, especially for the daytime. It's kind of played down, so I did play it up with some accessories, which is always fun. So if you want to see how I created it, then just keep watching. All right, I'm gonna prime first before I forget to do that. I'm using this little cute tiny one here. It's actually just the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So I'll just start applying this wherever I want to smooth and blur. All right, and then moving on to foundation. I'm actually trying out a new foundation today by one of my favorite brands, which is Becca. It's the Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. It contains vitamin C, cold pressed avocado, and melon blend. So whenever I get a new foundation, I have someone match me. I can't ever pick my shade myself. It's too much of a big decision. I can't handle it. So anyways, yes, jumping back to Ulta, the last few times I went there, my shade was just off, and probably like, yeah, the past 2 or 3 foundations I bought at Ulta, I've had to like go back and return the shade that they matched me to. So yeah, I'm a little nervous, but it doesn't look way off, so we'll make it work either way. If you're wondering what shade it is, it's Cashmere. So I'm just gonna start pumping this out and applying it to my face. Yeah, it might be kind of light, but we're gonna make it work. All right, so I'll just start blending this out. What the heck? I don't know, like, what it is with Ulta. I think it's just really bad lighting in there. The last foundation I bought, it was like it was a Tarte foundation, and one of the Tarte representatives was actually in the store that day, and so of course I went to her because I was like, oh my god, a Tarte representative, like she'll definitely know my shade. So yeah, she matched me in store. I went home with the foundation. Look how white, oh my god. I went home with the foundation and I applied it. My face was literally like pink compared to the rest of my body. So it was actually funny. I went back with my fiance and he color matched me perfectly. He's probably gonna be mad that I shared that piece of information, but. All right, yeah, so this is definitely ghostly white. Other than the shade not being correct, it feels really good on the skin. Feels like I don't even have anything on. All right, whatever. And then I'm just going to conceal my under eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like this is actually darker than the foundation. Moving right onto nose contour, I'm using my LA Girl Velvet Bronze Contour Stick. And then just setting everything with my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. All right, I'm gonna wait on my brows because I can't wait to warm up my face because this is just ridiculous. So the bronzer I'll be using today is the Too Faced Chocolate Matte Bronzer. A little better, I guess. Can never just like walk into a store and leave with a foundation that's right for me. Like, it's crazy. All right, so now that my face is all warmed up, I'll just fill in my brows with my NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate. This shade just like matches my eyebrows perfectly. It's just like a really nice, rich, dark brown. I'm just gonna dip into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit. Comes with 4 blushes here. Picking up my Sigma F40. I'm gonna mix these 2 colors here. Looks like Coastline and Terrace. Yeah, Coastline and Terrace. And then for highlight, one of my all-time favorites, the Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration with Amrezy Highlighter. So since the eyes are going to be pretty simple today, I'll just layer this on generously. So it kind of like makes up for the simplicity we'll have going on up here. So we're keeping the eyes very simple today, like I said. So just picking up this Too Faced bronzer again, just swirling my crease brush in there. And I'll just start applying this right into my crease. And then I'll just add some on my lower lash line as well. And then I just want to put something on my lid. So picking up this Bareminerals Gen Nude Neutral eyeshadow palette. I'm going to add the tiniest bit of this color here called Native. Not even like pack it, just kind of dust it. Dusting it right on our lid. And then just kind of blend everything out. Just to brighten up my eyes, taking this Nyx Wonder Pencil, just popping that onto my waterline. So I just lined my upper lash line since I'll be applying lashes today because I can't apply lashes if I don't have some kind of guide there. So I'll just coat my lashes with some mascara and then pop on some lashes. And maybe like a highlight in the inner corner, and yeah, we're almost done. So since this look is pretty played down, I'm going to be using some more natural looking false lashes. I mean, no false lashes are really natural looking, but they're just a little thinner and wispier. I don't know, it just says 120 Demi natural. So while I'm thinking of what color lipstick to apply, I'm just gonna line my lips with my usual MAC Spice lip liner pencil. Alright, so the lipstick I've chosen is a Tarte lipstick. It's in the color Beach Babe, and it's just kind of like a sheared out pinky beige. And then before we forget about highlights, just dipping back into the one I used earlier and popping some into my inner corners and onto my brow bone. So when I'm wearing like a very simple toned down look like this, I really like to play it up with accessories. So just pop in a pair of hoops. All right, so that wraps up this soft, simple makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you as always for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.